Wonder where everyone's going.
Hi guys, and welcome back. So it's coming up to the end of January now and almost in February already, and as you can see, the seed box is back out and we've got a whole load of seeds to sow again this month, so it's going to be quite a busy one. So I'm going to go through a few of the things that I'm going to be sowing here in North Wales, and you've got to remember, obviously this all depends on whereabouts you are in the country or world and when your last frost dates are. A lot of what I am sowing now will be sown indoors or under cover and kept under lights until they're big enough and strong enough to go out into the polytunnel, and then later on into the cold frame or outside wherever I decide to put them. So I'm going to start off with a few things that we're going to sow this month. We'll go through the vegetables first and then we'll go through the flowers afterwards. So first thing I'm probably going to be sowing is some broad beans. I wasn't going to do any, but I got a big bag of seeds and these were in them, so I thought I might as well use them up. There's only a few in there, so we'll get them done. It's probably last chance to sow them. Now, peas, I didn't get around to doing any this month, well January, so I'm going to do some first thing in the first week of February now. So that video will probably be coming out towards the end of the week. But it's a good time to get your early peas sown, and these are Onward, an early variety. So February, May, harvest May to August. So you could be harvesting them within 3 months. And then we're going to do another sowing of spring onions. Again, we've got the Ishikura and the White Lisbon. So I'm going to do another sowing of them and keep succession going, so there's continuous ones ready to pick. And another one we're going to do more of is some shallots. These are Zabroon shallots, and I'm planning to just dot these in and around wherever I've got the space, so I'll do a few more of them. And we're also going to be doing another sowing of lettuces, and I did the Lolo last time and they're just ready to be pricked out now and potted on. So this time I'm going to do the red and green salad bowl mixed, and I'll just do a handful of them again and prick them out, and then next month again we'll do another sowing of them. Beetroot, do your beetroots now and get an early crop on them. I do already have beetroot in both polytunnels and in one of the beds outside. They're all growing quite well. They've actually overwintered quite well, so I'll probably wait until the end of the month to sow my beetroot, just so there's a bit of a gap between everything. Aubergines, you can get your aubergines sown now. They do need heat, so if you've got a heated propagator or a big fish tank, you can put them on top of there. I'm not sure if I'm going to bother with any this year because we didn't really use them last year, so it was a bit of a waste of space, but you can get them going now. Cucumbers, I'm going to do two different types. The Carmen from Medwins of Anglesey, seen a few people doing these and they are medium sized cucumber and apparently they're really nice, so I'm going to try them. And I can't say the name of that. Cornish and de Paris cucumber, and these are a gherkin type, more for pickling or just picking and eating as they are. So I'm going to get them sown. Again, they'll need heat from the propagator or fish tank. And again, towards the end of the month, I'll be getting some more carrots sown in containers, and you can also sow your parsnips in February as well. So I'm going to do 2 varieties in the bed this year, and it's Tender and True and Panorama from Medwins of Anglesey again. And so you can also start your carrots towards the end of February as well. Right, so I think that's it for the vegetables. Herbs, thyme is one that I'm going to do this year, and I'm going to do a few others, but just haven't had a look through the seed box yet. But thyme, you can start thyme now indoors. And then we'll move on to some of the flowers, and I've got a big box here that is just full of all different flower seeds. So I'm going to have a pick through them this year and try and get rid of a lot of them. So I'm just going to sow them, and if they grow, they grow, if they don't, they don't. So you can get your marigolds or tajiks. They can be sown now, and they can be sown in the polytunnel or in the greenhouse. They will do just fine in there. I'm going to get some of them sown. Nigellas, more towards the end of the month for them. Petunias, I'm going to be sowing them. Again, they'll be indoors and under lights for now. Looking forward to doing these. Really enjoy doing the petunias. Some cosmos. Again, this will probably be towards the end of the month. Summer Sensation Mix. We'll be doing them. And I'm also going to try these Love Lies Bleeding. Probably again towards the end of the month. It says March on the packet, but if you've got the room indoors, you can start them a little bit earlier. And I'm also going to be doing some more sweet peas. I do already have some that started in the autumn, and they're growing along now in the polytunnel. I'll show you them in a future video when I'm sowing these, but I'm going to be doing another sowing of sweet peas for a later bunch of flowers. And can't forget this one again, it'll probably be towards the middle or the end of the month. Tomatoes, but I haven't been through and decided what varieties yet, but it is time to think about getting your tomatoes sown, so I will be having a look through this box later on today and picking out which ones I'm going to sow this month. But plenty to be sowing, still got plenty to be potting on, picking out. Need to pot on the big onions. Got loads of seeds just germinating now. Still no sign of the peppers, so I might do another sowing just in case, but it's only been a week and a half, so there's still time for them to germinate. But it's going to be a very busy month for us all, I think. So that's about it for today, guys. I'd like to say thank you very much for watching, and please remember to hit that subscribe button, drop me a comment and leave a like. Bye for now.